Let's decorate this beautiful vintage cake together. Hi beautiful people, I'm back again. My name is Declan and I'm the creative director behind the brand Biscakes. Kindly subscribe to this channel using the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment and share. Now let's get started. I had already done the crumb coating of this cake, so I just proceeded to the final coating. I was just scraping, to give it a perfect finishing because that's the foundation of a vintage cake. And here is one of my favorite things to do when it comes to buttercream. I love to pipe. It's just so therapeutic for me. I'm sure you can tell by just watching it that it's very, very therapeutic. And when it comes to vintage cake, you have a lot of piping to do because from the border to from the base of the cake to the top to the body of the cake, you have a lot of piping to do with different piping tips. That's what gives us a vintage effect. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the step by steps as I put you through. Now that the piping is done, what I have here with me is the hairbrush tool. In it, had a mixture of the edible luster dust and edible spirits, which I sprayed all over the cake to turn it into gold from the original cream color. So I just made sure that it covered the whole area, the whole cake area, to turn it into a gold cake. I'm sure you can agree with me that this cake is already giving royalty vibes. So the best thing to do is to just, crown it up with this very cute crown. Very cutesy, very demure. Just look at that. It's such a beautiful piece. And that's going to be all for today. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. See you next time. Bye.